Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing this. This is the Meng World War Toons Sherman. It's like a goofy cartoon tank. So first off, I want to say sorry for the background noise. I've got my window open because it's really hot up here. I don't know why. But let's get into it, because I'm sure you're all dying to see this tank. So first off, box art. It's a very cartoony style of box art. They've got the World War Toons logo. I'm guessing this is from some sort of game. The name of the tank, the turret and stuff, like the removal turret and elevating, all that sort of stuff. Then there's the different languages, safety information. On top, there's like they're advertising the Meng loot. This kit cost me £12.95. On the back, so I'm guessing this is like in-game footage of the Sherman. There is a little bit of information, some specifications about it, and some barcodes for like the websites or something, and official, all that sort of stuff. On the top side, it's got like the tank and advertisement. There's a lot of advertisements. A repeat of the box art, more just like the same. So yeah, that's the box. Let's get into it, shall we? Because I haven't actually had a look inside this yet. So that's it. That's all that's in the box. If I just open this up, where's my handy knife? There we are. Let's just have a look, shall we? Open up this bag. So this looks like the instruction manual for the tank. I'll put that outside. Parts, we'll get into those later. And more parts, we'll get into those later as well. And the dreaded rubber tracks. And then there's these decals as well, which could just be the plastic. Oh yeah, they look quite faded right now, but we'll get into those later. So first off, the bit you've all been absolutely dying to see, because that's of course why you watch these unboxing videos. It's the quality of the instructions. So they're not like the cheap paper ones that Airfix do. Safety information on the side, sprue layout, which is actually, I'm quite happy about that, because Airfix don't do it, but Revell do, and it's quite annoying with Airfix, like when I'm trying to work out what's what. Multilingual safety information for decals. First page, it is some of the most simple instructions I've seen for a kit in a while. It is mostly written in Russian, it looks like, or Chinese, Japanese. I'm not too sure. Sorry if I offend anyone. Looks like you're assembling the tracks, assembling the bodywork, finishing off the tracks. There's more bodywork, assembling the gun, and more body detail. Turret over here, main part of the tank here, so just more. There's quite a lot of detail in this actually for a cartoony tank. More stuff, and the turret assembly. There's a paint scheme for their paints. I'll probably just be using the Humbrol ones that I've got, or some Revell ones, because I don't have any AK paints. Yeah, these instructions look really good, and of course on the back you've got like a tank and a little in-game character there. So another part like you really are interested in is the rubber band tracks. Different to all the other tracks I've had. They feel quite nice. They're a bit bent actually, but I'm sure I can fix that. Yeah, they look good. There's not much flash on those. So first sprue, this looks like lots of detail, and the main turret. I quite like the look of it, to be honest. It looks good. There's not much flash that I can see, or anything else for that matter. It's just a lot of detail work, which I can assure you is going to be a pain later on. yeah, here's the main chassis and the rest of the tank. More detail work. Yet again, not much flash, which I'm really impressed by. There's a little bit on the actual sprue, but that doesn't bother me because it's the parts I'm more worried about. And then the wheel assemblies, or whatever it's called. But here it is. It's high quality as well. I'm actually quite impressed with this. This is my first Meng kit. I've never built one before, but so far, it all looks good. And now, of course, you want to look at these, won't you? These are the decals. So if I get my knife again, you can see where I've cut through there. If I just cut this on my cutting mat, not instead of on paper. These decals are right actual pain to get into. There we are. I think that did it. So let's just kind of open these up. I'm actually quite impressed that they've put the decals in a separate bag, because as you can see by my previous unboxings, all the Airfix and Revel ones were in the same bag. These look good. They don't look yellowed at all, because I know this is a 2 or 3 year old kit. There's not many though. That's my only issue. I thought there would be a few more. Other than that, they look good. But anyway, I want to thank you all very, very much for watching this video unboxing. To be honest, it's been quite interesting because I don't often get kits from Meng. Within the next few unboxings, you'll have another interesting one. Let me know in the comments whether you'd like to see a Tamiya unboxing next, or an Airfix, because I've got 2 Airfix. So if you want to go Airfix A and B, you'll find out what's what. I've also got a Revel one. Don't worry about that. So I want to thank you all very much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment kind of what suggestions for kits I should get.